Hey, if you're going to do any type of background where you cut your background out for your layout, here's a little tip. And this was shared with me by Bob over there at PKNW. You got your backdrop, right? You cut it out, right? And take your edges, right? Get yourself one of these. I got this at the dollar store. It's a Artist's Alternative dual tip brush. They come in all different colors. Right? It's got a little tip at one end, a big brush type tip at the other end. Do yourself a favor. Take the edge. See how it disappears? Just do that real quick. It'll help that edge disappear. If you care. If you don't care, don't worry about it. But I think it helps. Because your eye can pick up little things like that in a backdrop. It's okay to leave the blue because your backdrop is going to be blue, most likely, right? But the edge, you'll pick up the edge. So just do that. Don't worry about getting it on the front. Wipes off. But yeah. Try it out. It really helps. Once again. And these are pretty cool. They're $1 and they come in all different colors again. I'll do halfway and you can see the difference.
Nice little
See that edge? See that edge? That edge disappears. Hope this helped you. Have fun.